Hi and welcome to the Inspiration Studio. In this tutorial video I am going to show you how to sew this simple bag without lining, with a double bottom and nice straps. You will need 5 pieces. This is how I place the parts and the calculation if you need it. These straps can be very different, made of fabric, cotton webbing strap, polypropylene webbing strap. This is handmade. How to crochet to this beautiful strap I will show you in the next video, part 2. For this kind of straps, just cut to pieces, fold the edges and sew. For beige bag, I have taken cotton webbing straps. The bag is almost ready, but seams are still open. I'm going to close them, so you have to stitch all 6 seams separately. But first fold bottom detail and stitch it. As a last step, put a piece of cotton inside the double bottom and you can remove it before washing. I hope this video was useful. Thanks for watching and bye.